Hey man, it is time for a moment of truth, specifically talking about these Air Jordan 1 low Travis Scott that everybody is raving about. Nike ain't telling you one thing that they know is going on, and we gotta talk about in today's video. Let's get right into it, man. Yo, what's going on, everybody? YouTube, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in to today's video. We're gonna keep this short and sweet. We're gonna keep it short and sweet. We got some inside information. We got the inside scoop on this upcoming Travis Scott low. I think it's the medium olives or olives, whatever they call in these joints. There's so many Travis Scott lows. It's getting out of hand at this point. Like, it's just hard to keep up with because so many olives, so many mocha, you know, reverse this, reverse that. But like I said, I'm gonna break down to you guys the full 101, what I know about it, and to help you guys out and get a pair. And it is going to be a shot drop probably tonight, probably like around midnight, because it has not happened yet to my knowledge. And I don't know if it's going to happen between me posting this video or, like I said, hopefully I get up there sooner before it does actually shot drop. But man, if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like on today's video. If you don't do nothing else, if you don't comment, if you don't even watch more than 10 seconds, hey, hit that like button for your boy DeVintage. It goes a long way, man. All right, guys, so first things first, bro. First things first. I think this is like the huge elephant in the room. The stock number. They are saying that this is one of the most stock that they have ever seen for these Travis Scott lows. I think it's gonna be something similar to what we've seen with the canary yellow joints. These joints right here had added to the collection, still have not worn them. I think the stock is a little bit more than this pair that dropped back in, I think, April or even March, one of the two. But it's up there. It's like 200-some thousand pairs, which is a good thing, bro. It's honestly a good thing when you think about it. Kind of increase the stock. The demand is still going to be there, but it kind of balances out in a way because that will ultimately drop the resale value. And this is another one of those, you know, fire colorways. Like, this is a nice, dope, simplistic colorway in my opinion that I think a lot of people are going to gravitate towards. The perfect time to drop them during this fall time frame. That olive, it just hits during this time frame, you know what I'm saying? Those autumn colorways always go crazy with Travis Scott. Like I said, mochas, reverse mochas, olives, medium olives, all types of stuff going on with these Travis Scotts, man. But a lot of stock is expected to drop, like I said, on this shock drop on Travis Scott website and tomorrow on the Nike sneakers app. So this is the news that I kind of just got, you know, privy upon. Like they let me know about it. They said, yo, tomorrow they're going to be loading up and dropping on the sneakers app. Like I said, man, it is about 6 o'clock where I'm at. And I'm going to check sneakers app and see if it is loaded right now. But usually when you talk about Travis Scott lows or Travis Scott in general, they load them like right before it happens. They load it like right before, which I'm not too sure why. But we're gonna check the upcoming drops and know they still don't have it on there. They only have these grade 12s right here. And of course, they have a bunch of Nike Cactus Plant Flea Market stuff right here, as you guys can see. So it has not been loaded yet. Like I said, some of these inside sources already let us know that they will be loaded by the end of the day because they will be dropping on Nike sneakers app tomorrow. It only makes sense, you know what I'm saying? It makes sense because them 12s ain't really hit like that in my opinion. Nike know what's going on. They push releases to the, you know, to the right. They push them to 2025 because nobody is wanting most of these general releases that Nike has been dropping. Almost like, you know, back in 2014, 2015, people loved GRs. Now you fast forward 10 years later, nobody cares about a GR. All they want is Travis Scott. All they want is, you know, trophy rooms, I'm a year. You guys know I'm going with that. So again, like I said, man, keep your eyes open for this shock drop. It's supposed to be happening on the Travis Scott website. I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen later in the day. So make sure you know what I'm saying, load up your Travis Scott website and stuff like that. But you know, I know you guys heard me, you know, talk about what Nike is seeing is going on with Travis Scott, and most of these releases on this website, they are all getting backdoor. We all know this. We know this at this point, and it seems like Nike does not care. It has not been one person that I know, and I know a lot of people, especially in the sneaker community, that have entered and tried to get pairs on Travis Scott website. But guess what? L after L after the L, man. It's like nobody is getting dubs. And not only indicates one or two things, you know what I'm saying, or just one thing. Them things is getting backdoored like all day long. We all know what's going on. And the best opportunity for us to get some of these hype releases is sneakers app. And sometimes sneakers is a little bit skeptical too. The app be crashing, too many people on there, get mad error messages. But I'd rather try to get on a shop drop on Nike sneakers, you know what I'm saying, the fairness aspect of it, rather than going to Travis Scott website, because like I said, Never hit on Travis Scott website. Only know one person that has ever hit on Travis Scott, and that was years ago for the Mocha Highs, the original joints. This is my boy Retro. He hit on them, but like I said, I don't know nobody else that has ever hit on the website. It's because, you know, that backdoor wide open. They gotta let all the boys, all the people in the industry, the music industry, get their pairs first, and then whatever else they do with other pairs, I don't even know, man. Like I said, man, keep your eyes open for this shop drop on Travis Scott website. I'm gonna link it down below. And if I did drop this video a little too late, the shop drop probably happened, or it might didn't yet, but let me know in the comment section if you did hit on a pair of these things. But a lot of pairs, we all know that the resale gonna, you know, continue to trickle down for everybody that really want a pair. This is my only Travis Scott. Well, I got a Travis Scott 6s too, but this is my only Jordan 1 Travis Scott. So if I hit on this pair releasing today or tomorrow on the Sneakers app, that'd be super clutch, man. So like I said, let me know in the comment section how you do. We already know Nike know what's going on with all the backdooring. Trophy Room really did terrible things in the past. We all know about them Trophy Room 1s, and Travis Scott. It's just backdoor city. So, you know, hopefully Nike one day fix it, but at the end of the day, they probably don't really care. As long as they get their money, as long as they get what they pay for the shoe and plus more that profit, I think they just be like, yo, you know what? Do whatever y'all do with the pair. Because the backdooring at this day and age is getting ridiculous. So make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Let me know how you feel about these Travis Scott joints. Is the cop? Is it drop? Pass? Cop? Let me know something in the comment section, man. And with all that being said, bro, again, I love y'all. Thanks for tapping in. Let me catch you in the next video, man. Peace.